Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video, I'll be talking about L'Oreal Professional Serioxyl Advanced Density Activator Live-in Serum. Now this I got like 2 weeks ago as monsoon has started, and recently I got slight symptom of typhoid. So again my hair fall started. Like always in monsoon, I get severe hair fall like all over my house, like everywhere. Even though if I'm not combing also, I see my hair everywhere. So I was really worried like what to try. The only shampoo I'm using is the density one and this serum, that's it. I'm not using any oil, nothing on my hair right now. Now this serum claims to give like 1000 plus hair in 6 weeks, and no added colorant, sulfide and silicone in it, so I really felt safe to use this one, and I'm loving it. Like it's been only like few weeks, like hardly 2 weeks, and my hair fall has really stopped, like the way I used to have before, much better now. Also the fragrance of the serum, first like my first impression, it smells like a bit like alcohol kind of, and the later it gives like very soothing fresh fragrance, so I love that. Also it's non-sticky and consistency is like watery. I love the applicator, easy to apply on scalp and on the targeted thinning zone, like gently massage and then just leave it on, no need to rinse it. Also I'm a bit lazy while it comes to massage, so I just slightly massage it for like 1 minute and it works, like it easily absorb into scalp. That's the plus point. So anyone who is dealing with thinning hair or hair fall should definitely try this, like try at least once, because I have been trying everything now, so I have stopped experimenting other product because I'm a bit scared like बच्चे कुचे बाल भी मेरे चले नहीं जाए. So this is the only two product which I'm using right now, and it really helped to stop my hair fall like much better than before. So anyone who is dealing with thin hair, hair fall, or like bold patches or anything, like just give it a try. Just give it a try like once for at least a month, and if it's working for you, do comment below. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you do, then please subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care.